Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Captcha Chrome. You will start by opening the browser. Here, click on the menu and click on Clear Browsing Data. After this, select the desired time range. You must leave the boxes, cookies, and other site data and cached images and files checked. When you do, click on Clear Data. With this, you will eliminate the CAPTCHA in Google. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.